Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make thank you cards for business on Canva. The first thing you want to do after creating your Canva account, which you can do for completely free, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to type in business thank you card. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can see that you're provided with over 20,000 different templates that you can choose from. So it is highly probable that you're going to be finding a template that you like. So you can scroll down until you see a particular template that would match the type of message that you like to send across to your customers. So let's say, for example, I were to select this template. After selecting the template, you're going to tap on customize this template. Then you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you could choose to change the text if you want. So you can select the text that is there and you could change the font size by tapping right where you see 75. You could change the font size if you want. You can also tap right here where you see the text and you could change the message. So let's say, for example, instead of offering 25% off, I would like to offer 15% off. So I'll type that in right there and you could also enter in your discount code. Once you have done that, you can scroll down and you could add in your contact information right here, and then you could also change the branding. So for example, I will be changing this to, let's say, for example, simple answers. So I could type that in right here. After typing that in, you could also change the logo or icon that is being displayed right here. So you could add in your own company logo. Once you have done that, if it is a case that you, for example, would like to add a QR code for your business, you can also do that by going over to the left-hand menu option. You could select apps. Then from there, you could tap on the search bar and you could type in QR code. Then you will see different options and you could select QR code generator or simple QR code. Any one of these options you could select. For example, if I were to select simple QR code, then I'll just tap on open. After you have done that, you can see right there, this app is temporarily unavailable. So let us go back and we can select this option, QR code, then tap on open. And all you would need to do is paste in your website URL. So for example's sake, let's say I were to just go back on Canva and I'll just copy this URL and I'll paste it in right here. After you have pasted it in, you will tap on generate code and you can see the QR code has been added. So you could minimize the size of the QR code and you could add it wherever you want on the card, as you can see right there. Once everything is to your liking, you will tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on download. After selecting download, you can tap on download right here and you'll have your thank you card. If it is a case that you don't want to download it and instead you would like a link, you could tap right here where you see public view link and you could get a link that you'll be able to share. But more than likely, you're going to be downloading it and printing it, so you'll tap on download. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.